Very positive morning to all my friends. Why I've told positive morning? Can anybody tell in this evening why I'm telling morning? Please, anybody? Because the word morning itself implies the positive energy, the positive actions, the positive thoughts. Whenever you feel yourself tired, you tell yourself, you take your name and tell positive morning. For example, I'm telling positive morning, Harita. It gives you a lot of impact, as I have done and I have experienced this. Am I audible? Please. Okay. Thank you, Kushbu. Thank you. Thank you, Gaurish. Thank you. Thank you, Desai. Thank you so much. Okay, let me share. So we start our journey. Are you ready? Are you ready to start journey? Type R in the chat box. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, Jagdish. Thank you, Kushbu. Thank you, Desai. May I know who is this number? 673D1252. May I know? May I know the name? Thank you, Harijit ji. Thank you. Thank you for your responses. Okay. Let me share my introduction. This is day one. What we are going to learn today is introduction, proven stories, and 5 powerful steps to positive thinking. And we will make in detail one by one. And let me introduce myself. My name is Harita Bamidi. I'm an MA and MBA graduate, and I'm an inspirator and motivator to my family, kids, and friends. And I'm a public speaker, and I'm a positive mindset coach. And I'm a mother of 2 wonderful, beautiful kids. If anybody wants to share about their introduction, please, you can unmute yourself and you can talk. Anybody? Okay, it's Varun.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I am Sriram Jagdish from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, welcome, Jagdish. Yeah, tell me yourself.
Yes, yes, madam. I completed graduation commerce related and also CA CPT completed. Now I am
Okay.
searching for a job in Bangalore, madam. This is my.
Okay, okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Is anybody else who want to share something? Who want to share about their life? Okay. Let us go further. Before that, I want to ask just one quick question. That is, why you joined my 3-day workshop? I'm just repeating again, why you joined my 3-day positive mindset workshop. Please type in the chat box. Why? Yeah, Sriram Jagdish, change my mindset. Yes, good, great. Anybody else? Why you joined? Pallavi, learning something new. Good. Atan Kumar ji, no matter what, remain calm. Yes, something you should learn. Yes, anybody else? Pallavi, I agree with you. Something you learn new. Yes. Anybody else? Whatever is there in your mind, you can type, no problem.
Yeah, Harita, this is Khushbu.
Yeah, welcome, Khushbu ma'am.
Thank you. Even the word positive, I'm passionate about these positive words. That's the reason I joined your workshop.
Okay, thank you.
And
Thank you for
excited to
sharing.
just go through what we'll be getting in 3 days.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely you will change your mindset. Thank you for sharing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, is anybody else? I'm very happy. People are sharing their views. Aditya Bharatwaj sir, positive thinking. Yes. To become yourself a positive thinker. I'm teaching here as I'm a positive mindset coach. Yes. Desai sir, and put your earphones. Am I not audible?
You are audible. It is clear.
Sorry.
We can hear you clearly.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, Varun is telling to learn how to have a positive mindset in life. Yes. Great. Great responses. Thank you all. Okay, let me share my view. Is anybody there to share their views on chat or unmute? You can speak. Or shall we move further? Yes, I'm moving further. Please. Yes, I'm moving further. Yes, I'm telling my why. Why and what are the reasons? What are the reasons happen to me to become a positive thinker? Let me share my own example, my own story. For each and every woman in this world, there is no bigger gift rather than becoming a mother. Are you all agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. So this was happened in my life after 3 years of my marriage. So it was very precious for me, for my spouse, and for my family as well. I enjoyed the 9 months like anything. As we all know that Abhimanyu has learned how to get into, as Abhimanyu has learned how to get into the path. Am I audible, please? Am I audible? Any yes? Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So Abhimanyu has learned in his womb, in his mother's womb, how to get into the Padma Vyuham. So it's so much powerful for the lady, for the woman to know her baby anything. So I listen to music and I listen to songs and I used to read the books of Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita. And like that, I enjoyed my 9 months. And at the same time, my mother was also not feeling well. She suffered with chikungunya. So at that time, I was working in a software company. So I quit the job because doctor told me to take rest. It's better for me. So I quit the job because of my health issues. So I went into my mother's home and I enjoyed doing the work to my parents and to my elder parents and my grandmother's grandfather was also there. We are a joint family. So as my mother was sick, so I used to do each and everything from morning till night, and I enjoyed a lot. And the time came for the delivery of baby. So 1 week before, the whole night I was not slept because there was no movement of baby in my womb. And in the early morning and in the next morning, we just rushed into the hospital immediately. And the doctor tested my womb and told shocking news that my baby was died in my womb. And I cried like anything. And there I can say the positive thing which was happened to me is I was joined in one Christian hospital. There the doctors were decided to do a normal delivery for me. And it was happened in the 2011, October 17. At that time, the parents were interested to give birth to 2 kids. So as a woman, I can't bear more than 2 C-sections. So the doctors decided to do a normal delivery. And they kept me in one single room for 4 days. And there was no food, no water for me. And I struggled so much. It was very difficult to me to give pressure to come out of my baby. So I bared all the things. I struggled a lot to come out of that situation. And it takes me more than 6 months. And from that time, I decided that there is no place of kids in my life. I strongly decided because I can't bear that much of pain anymore. Sorry. But after 6 months, I trained my mind like there is no meaning to my life if there is no kids in my life. And in that 6 months, I used to think myself. I never told to my spouse also. God has given me a challenge for what? For making me, for testing me, or for giving me some lessons, to teach me some lessons for what God has given me this situation. As I'm more spiritualist, and I do daily 2 times puja. I believe in God like anything. So I unable to digest myself. So after that, I enter the 5 beautiful letter words smile into my life. Because basically by born, I used to smile more. So in that 6 to 8 months, there was no word smile in my life. So I entered again a new life. So after 2 years, I again become a mother. And it was more and more precious before than before. Sorry. So I used to take care of me, and I never went to my parents' home. I was here in Hyderabad with my spouse. My parents came here. And here also the 9 months, what I have done before, the same as usual I have done for my baby. And again, the delivery time came. It was in the year 2014, May 12. And again, I come across some bad situation. The doctors decided to make me a C-section. So when they are in their process, they are doing their process, but I suddenly went into coma. I don't know till now, I don't know what happened in that situation to me. I went into coma for more than 5 minutes, and the doctors and my parents and my relatives all were afraid of me and my baby, as it was already done before. So what is going to happen this time? And I can say strongly, daily I pray to God that no woman should suffer like me, because I experienced that struggle. So by God's grace, I and my baby was alive, and now I'm having 2 wonderful kids, and another one was born in 2019, December 14. And I'm very happy now. But these are all experiences for me. I can't forget these experiences in my lifetime. I can't forget till I die. So please, my friends, you search for positiveness in each and every situation in your daily life. So thank you so much for hearing me. Let us go further. If anybody having any doubts, thank you. Thank you, Jagdish. Thank you, Khushbu. So let us go further. So the 5 powerful steps to positive. Sorry, I have missed this slide. Yes, the proven story slide I have missed. Okay, thank you. Give me a moment. Yes. Yes, 5 powerful steps to be positive. If you are positive, you will see opportunities instead of obstacles. Each and everybody having problems. Not only me, not only you, everybody in this world. So each and everybody, if you think positive, if you see positive, you will get opportunities in that. Okay, let us go further. What are the 5 powerful steps? First one, embrace an attitude of gratitude. What do you mean by that? You should build an attitude of gratitude. For what? The person or the things. For what you should feel gratitude? First of all, you should feel gratitude to your life. Because without your parents, you are not there. So you should feel gratitude to your parents, to God, to the universe and the planets. If you surrender yourself to the universe follows you like anything. Daily I'm doing, daily I will call to my parents and daily I will tell them, thank you for this life. I love you so much. Because without them, we are not there. So you should feel gratitude to your life first. Then after, whatever you are having now, you should feel gratitude. See, I'm going to tell you an example. Let me take one small kid. Firstly, he wants some toys to play. Then after, he wants the cycle, the unicycle, the bicycle. Like that, his dreams go on further. So he is feeling gratitude to each and everything. And you should feel gratitude. You should adopt the attitude of gratitude. Tell to yourself, whatever you think you have achieved, pack your bag and tell, thank you, you are great. Please let me know, am I audible? Okay, thank you, Varun. Thank you. Let's move on further. The second point, the second positive thinking, people will think that focus on what you want, not on what you don't. Yes, thank you all, Jagdish, Sahasha, Pallavi, thank you so much. So focus on what you want, not on what you don't. If you focus on what you want, actually, you strengthens your empathy. What will you get? What is the outcome if you focus on what you want? That is, strengthens your empathy, increases your productivity, makes you a better friend, and encourages creativity. Let me tell you a story of my own aunt here. She lives in our village. She is leading a very happy life. She is having 3 kids, and the kids were settled with their kids. All is going well. But in the year 2014, May 6th, the bad thing, I can say, that happened in my aunt's life. That was, my uncle was died. And she never digests the thing. She used to tell, I'm also die, I will also die. There is no meaning to my life without having my husband. As we all go through these situations in our own lives, so the same thing happened. If the head of the person is not there, there is no meaning. We should miss something. So the same thing happened to my aunt. So she taken into mind. She's thinking it's okay, but she's taken into mind and she became mentally disabled. And we have shown her to so many doctors. We have visited so many doctors and she taken so many medicines, but still she's not get any positive results. So I used to talk her whenever I get free. I used to tell her, don't feel bad, my aunt. There are your beautiful grandchildren are there, beautiful kids you are having. Why are you thinking about past? Think about the present and your free future. What is bad in your life? Why are you thinking about that? I used to motivate her, but she never listened to me. Let me ask you a quick question here. How many of you motivate yourself and at how long? How long you motivate to yourself? Is it 1 hour, 1 week, 1 month, or more? Let me know. Please share your feelings. Yes, it is so difficult, ma'am. Yes, Jagdish. As we are all human beings, we can't motivate ourselves. If anybody motivates you, how long they will motivate? They are having their own lives. So the same thing happened with my aunt. So recently, I can say 2020, on October 20, the miracle happened in my auntie's life. And I have decided strongly for myself, I'm going to change her mindset. Yes, I decided myself. And I used to talk with her for 21 days daily. Daily, I used to talk with her. She's telling something reasons like that, like this. But I have not accepted her. See, in everyone's life, this happens. This is not done in your own life, in everybody's life. They are accepting and they are living. If you stop there, is anything going to happen? If you go further, then you can do miracles. You have to think your mind. You have to tell your mind that I want to do some miracles. If you want to do some miracles, you just accept what is happening in your life. Isn't it? Will you agree with me? Please type A. If you're stuck there, you can't go further. Yes. Thank you, Pallavi. Yeah, Atan Kumar ji, yes. Varun ji, yes. If you're stuck there, you can't go further. So if you want to go further, if you want to change your mindset, if you want to change your life, you should accept. So something happened in my aunt's life. So that day, what happened? I used to talk with her 21 days. And I used to tell her that your life is there. There is no life. There is no meaning to your life. You don't think like that. See, God has given you life. This is your life. Isn't it? It is your life. Believe in yourself, not on others. Believe in yourself. You are going to change your mind. You are going to change your mind and you are going to normal before, as like before. And she never used to talk to anybody from last 14 to 20, 6 years. She never used to talk. And by taking that medicines, For 2 to 3 months, she was okay. But after again, that mindset came back. So what happened after that? I used to change her mind. And in November 2020, the miracle happened. I just unbelievable. I changed her mindset. I changed her completely. Now she's all right like anything. She's rocking now. Till now, no complaints from her. On weekends, I used to talk with her. And I felt very happy. And for me, the positive mindset is there from my childhood onwards. And in my school days, in my college days, I used to change the mindset of my friends, of my colleagues, and of my sometimes my teachers. I will tell this in detail in my second level, not now. So something happened like that, but I strongly believed after the situation happened with me, I strongly believed like anything. So I'm going to rock. So I'm rock now. So this is focus on what you want, not on what you don't. Keep telling to your mind. Keep telling to your mind. Focus on your dreams. Focus on your visions. Focus on your passions. Focus on your goals. Within no time, you just rock. Please let me know if you're having any doubts before going further. Anybody? No? All is fine? Okay, thank you, Khushbu ma'am.
Hello, madam.
Yes,
Yeah, madam.
Yes.
I have one doubt, madam.
yes. Who is this, Jagdish?
Yeah, yes, madam.
Yeah, please carry on.
Yeah, actually, always think like one day think this day I don't do this, but again I am doing like tomorrow. This is my problem, madam. Some habit.
Oh, yeah, it's going to happen to everyone, Jagdish.
Yeah.
I also in that list. But you keep on doing. It's not going to happen in just 1 second, 1 minute, or 1 night, isn't it?
Yeah, correct, madam.
Yeah. So you keep on doing, and you get up early in the morning and keep on doing what you are going to. What is your vision? That you told that you want to get a job.
Oh yeah, yes, madam.
Yes. So you keep on doing, you keep on telling your mind that I'm getting job, and you set the goal. Are you
Okay.
understanding my point?
Yeah, yes, madam.
Yes, you set the goal. You
Yeah,
set
yeah.
the goal that in next month or in next 2 months or in next 3 months, like that, you set the goal and you definitely reach that.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, believe me,
Yeah, yes.
you
madam.
can do that.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank
I hope you understood.
yeah, yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let us go further. What is the third thing? Don't believe in everything you think. Sarah, there are so many thoughts in our mind. See, you can see in your slides. I'm sharing the slide. I think everyone visible.
Yes,
So you
madam.
see, okay, Jagdish, thank you. So from morning onwards, from morning onwards till night, so many thoughts in our mind, and in these thoughts, there is not even one thought relevant to us, relevant to you. It is all about others, maybe your neighbors, maybe your friends, maybe your relatives, somebody else, but not you. Yes, is anybody accepting me? How many are agreeing with me? In the whole day, how many are thinking about you? Please let me know how many are thinking about you in the whole day. How much time you are taking for you to think about yourself, to think about your goals? Nobody? Nobody is thinking about them? Good. So you are all on same track. Yeah, Kushbu ma'am, entire day, I think. About whom? About you? About myself. Okay, good. So good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for sharing. Yes. If anybody not thinking about themselves, please start thinking about themselves. So don't believe in everything you think. There are so many thoughts will come in our mind. If we believe in everything, we will be nothing. Don't think about others, where they are going, from where they are coming, what dress they wore, what shoes they wore, something like that. As we are human beings, we think so much about others rather than us. So don't believe in everything you think. You have to concentrate on yourself. How to improve myself? How to reach my goal? How to reach my dreams? I have set my time limit. Within that time limit, I'm going to reach that or not? Yes. So think about that. The thoughts will process like anything. Everything is in your thoughts. Everything is in your mind. Is it positive or negative? That is your choice. If you think positively, if you think positive to your life, it will go on like rocking. If you think negative, it is also go on like negative rocking. So keep on thinking positive and keep on learning some new things, and the learning things you keep on implementing. Knowing knowledge, you are having so much knowledge in each and every field. There is no use if you are not implementing. If you implement, then only you can able to know in which angle you are correct, in which angle you are not. What are your merits and what are your demerits? If you implement, only you can able to know. Yes, I hope you all are understood. Thank you. And let me go further. The fourth point, know that every problem gives you a lesson. Because life is beautiful. Every problem gives you a lesson because life is beautiful. Yes, the problems come to you to make solutions, to search for solutions, not to stick to that problems. You should find the solution. Failure is the key stone to success, the first step to success. If you once you failure, the another time you can't. You just focus on that. Where I have done mistake, why I have done mistake. Then you get on success. So know that every problem gives you a lesson. And let me share you here. Let me share you one lesson here. This is also my own story, and it was I faced in the year 2019, and it was my daughter-in-law's marriage. We should have to go. So we went with our family to attend the marriage on November 23rd, 2019. So marriage was finished on 30th November and we came back on 1st December. whenever we reached the home and we opened the gate, we just shocked. Let me ask you what you are thinking. What is going to happen? Please share. I'm going to let me know what you are thinking. What is going to happen in my home? Can you imagine? Yes. Yes, Arijit sir and Jagdish sir. Yes, it was. The theft was happened in our home. And we just shocking. We don't know what to do. The locks were cracked and the whole house was filled with clothes. And I can't express that feeling, but that situation is rolling in front of my eyes. So we complained to the police. They have taken the complaint and they made their investigation. And here the miracle happened that within 21 days, we got back our gold. And it was just unbelievable for me. Situation rolling in front of my eyes. I can say it's because of my positive thinking. I just use it to tell to my mind that I'm getting whatever I lost. I'm getting whatever I lost. I'm getting whatever I lost. The 15 days, the 15 days, 21 days, there was no food. We are alive, that's it. How we are alive, I don't know. There was no sleeping, there was no food. And that situation happened, but we lost our whole what we have done till that time. We lost everything and we restarted our life from 2019 December 1st onwards. We restarted our life. It's all because of your mindset. It's all because of your thoughts. I strongly believe that your mindset can do miracles. And that is the situation. And that is the situation. Yes, Arjit sir. Yes, it's unbelievable for me also till now. The situation is rolling in front of my eyes. And we are still living in that house only. Where we lost, at that place only we will gain. I strongly believe that. So we're still living in that house only, in that home only. So everyone is unbelievable. Not only me, not only you, everyone in our street, in our lane, in our family, everyone. Yes, Khushbuji. We should agree that. So know that every problem gives you a lesson. As I'm a positive thinker before that also, but I became stronger. That situation became stronger. That situation given me a lesson. Maybe God has given me that opportunity to become more stronger. Inner. From inner my side, I became more stronger. So that is each and everybody having problems. So you should find the solution and you should find a lesson. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Pandeji. So that whatever I'm sharing, all of my real experiences, because more than this, nothing else can work out. Because I struggled so much, I can say, whatever the problems are there in this world, I already faced all. I strongly say that I faced all the problems. I can find the solution to each and every problem. To any problem, I can find the solution. So that's it. Let us go further. The fifth point is boost your mind by letting go of your need for perfection. You don't have to be perfect to help the people. All you need to be is real. You have to real to yourself. You should prove to yourself, not to others. You should be perfect to yourself, not to others. You are the competitor to yourself, not to anybody else. And nobody is perfect in this whole world. Yes, true. Sahasa Pallavi, yes, ma'am. Yes, true it is. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you for responding. I felt so happy. So that's it. So nobody is perfect in this world. Everybody is learning. Everybody is in learning stage. And everybody is a student till their life ends. We have to learn something new, and we should implement in that in our own lives. Sorry, Kushbu ma'am, you are doing just now. I didn't got it. So boost your mind by letting go of your need for perfection. So let me share you here one story. There was a sculptor. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. There was a sculptor who is making an idol. Who is making an idol from the stone. And he just finished everything. The idol was ready. Completely it was ready. But at last, the one stroke, he just missed. He just make a wrong stroke at the end of the idol. So at the same time, the one of his friend came and asked him, why you left out your idol beside? Why you again starting? Why you are wasting your energy, your time? Then the sculptor replied that I made a wrong stroke. So that's why I'm doing again. So the friend asked, where you have done the wrong stroke? Let me know. Let me see. So he has seen. And he told that it is where you are going to put this idol, at temple or some other place where you are going to put this idol. Then the sculptor replied that we are going to this posture, we are going to put this posture. It was a 20-meter height. It was a big posture before the temple. So his friend laughed at him. Why, man? Why you are thinking too much? Who will be the one person who is going there, will go there and see the wrong stroke in that much height? Is anybody go? Why you are thinking too much? Then the sculptor replied, yes, I agree with you, my friend. Nobody can know, but I know. I know what I have done the mistake. Whenever I go and visit the temple, I felt like anything. I don't just want to blame myself. I don't want to blame myself. So the friend was replied like, awesome. He appraised him like anything. So the same thing happens here or there in our lives also. So be true to yourself. You came here for my 3-day workshop. You no need to prove to me. It is for you. This workshop for you. You no need to prove me. You have to prove yourself. You have to be real to yourself. Have you got anything after my first day workshop? Have you gained anything? That you have to make question to yourself. That's it. So you should have to be real to yourself and don't think about perfection. Never ever think for perfection. The perfection comes when you are doing something regularly by experiencing. By experiencing your things, you are going to be perfect. Yes, I think I'm done with